Hey, how's it going? My name's Freddie Drennan, and I've been an R programmer for about 7 years now. I've worked in the production systems of three companies and have implemented numerous APIs, set up numerous databases, web applications, set these all up with containers and Airflow, and have actively worked in the AWS ecosystem. So we're going to start just by learning R in the way that I kind of think about it, straight in with debugging, which is, I think, an unusual place to start, to teach R through the debugger. And then we're going to get acquainted with some R packages that I think that we should know, and I'm going to teach some R through those packages. And then we're going to talk about environments, actually creating our own packages, and then we're going to build an index fund API, an external facing API. In the second project, create this Reddit application, which will be orchestrated with Airflow, containerized, data grabbing API from, like, it's going to be huge. It actually is very huge because this is what it looked like the last time I built it, which is just nuts. I actually had it running on three separate computers, all of these different microservices, all these different ports hooked up. This was the external facing indexer website, which actually hooked up to computers inside of my house. And all of this I was doing with R. So there's a lot to unpack, and there's a lot of foundational stuff we have to know before we can get to this, right? My goal here is I want my mom to be able to wake up one day, say, I want to learn R, and then if she was devoted enough, could take my class and then build whatever in the heck this diagram is. That's the challenge to myself. So if you're interested, you could read more about this particular project at fdrennan, github.com, fdrennan, at indexer platform. So this was the index of Reddit, but now I'm using this as the index of all of my R knowledge. Additionally, I just wanted to say it's been a hard year for a lot of people, so if you feel anxious about reaching out and asking questions, please don't. I'm very open and available. You can join the Slack channel where you can reach me just to ask me random questions. And then additionally, if you're feeling nice and generous, if you look in the resources or the reference here, there will be a Patreon link if you want to actually buy my time to consult with me about anything that you're doing, whether you're like out of college recently and you're trying to just build an interesting project, right? Or if you're actually working on a project with work, I can help you kind of digest it a little bit. And I'm going to use that cash to fund the server here and tipping other people who want to help out with the course. So thanks a lot, and I hope to see you around and possibly talk to you in Slack. Alrighty, bye.